Hey guys, so this is a Venice property. We are in Willow. It's a Lennar and a Toll Brothers community. Amenities, they're working on them. They're going to be done June of 2026. This place is going to be fantastic. Okay, so this Venice, they're asking $429. We're not quite done, but you see we're in final stages, punch list type of things. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, really grand entrance. That needs a battery. Let's go. I mean, this is amazing. Okay, you've got storage in here. You've got a guest bath with the tub shower combination. Your first guest bedroom. Perfect, right? Then you have another guest suite over here. Here's your laundry room, access to your 2-stall garage. But check out this guest suite with your ensuite bathroom there. This one has the shower. Nope, tub shower combination. Oh my gosh. Let's keep going. Here we have everything opens up, great room effect, right? Large kitchen. You know I love my corner pantries. You've got plenty of counter space for all the things you need to do. This here's your dining room. Pop that thing out, do a gorgeous chandelier, nice table and chairs, yada, yada. Seating, TV. We're going to get to that in a minute. That's a whole moment. Okay, this is your owner's suite, your 3rd bedroom, right? And you can do a king-size bed in here, chest of drawers, dresser here. You have a really large, like the length of this wall. This is all walk-in closet. It's humongous. And then here, you've got your ensuite, step-down shower, double vanities, okay? Drawers, storage, bathroom. Let's go out back, you guys. My son would just be like, yeah, buddy. So look at this pool. Look at this view. These preserves, they're not going anywhere. You're going to have these trees, this wildlife, what have you, behind you. They're not tearing that down. They're not tearing it out. You will have houses on the other side of these preserves, but you're going to have a nice, thick, wildlife preserve behind your house, which is excellent for the privacy. So you can enjoy your pool. And it's the afternoon and this pool is getting full sun. So I don't even know what direction we are, but it's pretty dang good. So if you're interested in this property, I forgot what they're asking, $429, under $450 for a pool home. This thing is going to be ready probably the end of this month. Maybe, certainly before November. So if you're interested in getting a pool home here in Florida, Punta Gorda, then you need to contact me. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, and follow me. Let's talk about your wish list.